Hi, today I'm here to show some of the new advancements of ArcGIS Enterprise. As all of us are aware, ArcGIS Enterprise offers new capabilities and enhancements throughout the product. And with the latest version of ArcGIS Enterprise, we have come up with many new functionalities such as group exports and imports, collaborating with other organizations efficiently, and so on. Not only this, we have come up with many new configured applications such as ArcGIS solutions, which can be deployed and directly used by the organization. So today we are going to discuss about some of these applications. Let me begin with the map viewer. Most of you must be familiar with the classic version of Map Viewer, but now we have come up with the next generation map making tool, which allows you to configure smart maps with the help of the unique functionalities that are available with the Map Viewer, such as symbology styles, filtering, clustering, configuring pop-ups, creating charts, and so on. So let me show you all of these functionalities by adding a data set. So here I am adding a demographic data set of India, and I would like to understand the population distribution across the country. So for this, we can quickly make use of the symbology styles to understand the population distribution. So I'll quickly select the data set and start applying the symbology styles. So since you want to understand the population distribution, I'll quickly select total population as my parameter, and I'll apply the symbology based upon that. So you could see the map has been dynamically updated with the symbology, which is telling us about the population distribution across the country. To make it more clear, I would make use of the other symbology styles that are available with the ArcGIS map viewer. So here, if you could see, there are various symbology styles that are available. Let me quickly choose counts and amounts and see how the changes appear. So here you could see, with the help of the color, you can clearly understand where the population is high and where it is low. So you can make use of this filtering option to change the colors, and you can even make it visually appealing by changing the colors using the color palette. So if you could see here, there are various colors that are available. So I'll quickly apply one of them. So by this, you could easily make out where the population is high and where it is low. So you could see in the state of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, the population is rapidly increasing. So now let me filter it down to a state to understand about its parameters in detail. So for that, I'll make use of the filter option that is available in the map viewer. So I'll quickly click on the filter and start filtering it to a state. So for this, I just need to choose the state name and filter it down. So I'll say state name is equal to Uttar Pradesh. So now you can see the map has been zoomed to that particular level. So we are able to filter down the map to that particular state. And now I want to understand about the state parameters in detail, such as the gender distribution and so on. So for that, I'll make use of the charts option that are available with the map viewer. So here I could quickly click on the charts to get the analysis of the gender distribution. So here, by clicking on it, you can easily see the gender distribution in Uttar Pradesh, and it is great to see that the gender equality is being maintained in most of the districts in Uttar Pradesh. So now let me quickly switch on to the other demo, the ArcGIS Experience Builder. So for that, in most of the cities in Uttar Pradesh are participating in the Smart Cities program. So one of them is Varanasi. So let's understand about this Varanasi Smart City in detail with the help of the ArcGIS Experience Builder. So let me quickly jump onto that. ArcGIS Experience Builder is a new way of creating applications. It empowers you to quickly transform your data into compelling web apps without writing a single line of code. You can build a map-centric or non-map-centric maps with the help of fixed or scrolling screens. So let me show you all the widgets that are available for us. So if you could see, there are various widgets that are available by default. You can quickly make use of it to configure an application. For this Varanasi Smart City, I have made use of the introduction template and build an application. So let me show you that. So, this is the application that I have built for Varanasi Smart City by making use of ArcGIS Experience Builder. So, if you could see, I have given a good background picture, then a title and the description. So, now let us see how we can configure the application. And as we know, the purpose of the Smart City mission is to improve the quality of life by enabling local area development, harnessing technology, especially the technology that leads to the smart outcomes. So, let me quickly show you how we can do that. So, here just by clicking on the widget, you can start configuring the application. And as we know, Varanasi is famous for three things, that is river Ganges, culture and heritage, tourism. So, just by clicking on the button, you could start configuring the application. So, this is how simple it is. And as we all know that Varanasi Smart City and many other smart cities are working towards sustainable development goals. So, we have brought in some of the data related to that as well. So, if you could see, we have some of the parameters such as clean water and sanitation, climate action, gender equality and so on. So, let me show you how quickly we can bind the data with the application. So, just by clicking on the button, you can set the action that needs to be performed on the button. So, here you need to choose the options that you wanted to do. So, I want to give a map which shows the water distribution network of Varanasi. So, just by giving the URL, you could configure the application. So, this is how simple it is. Once the application is done, you could quickly save this and publish it for the final usage, and you can even preview it on different devices such as cell phones and tabs and so on. So, this application is completely device adaptive, and let me show you how it looks over a web. So, this is the application that we have built and this is how it looks over the web. So, if you could see, this is the city, like about the Varanasi Smart City. So, you could see all the things that we have just configured. If you want to explore the data in it, just click on the explore button to see the data in it. So, we have just configured this map and you could see the water distribution network of Varanasi. So, with the help of this map, we can make sure that most of the areas in Varanasi are being facilitated with the drinking water. So, this is how simple it is. So, by this we would say make use of the map viewer and the experience builder to create wonderful maps and applications. Thank you.